Assalamualaikum, mga mamshi. Today, this morning, I decided to do a video and I want to cook a Filipino soup. I hope you like it. First, the ingredient is bell pepper. I cooked this bell pepper and I already cut it some bell pepper and onion. Ingredients also is a chicken. This one. I already boiled. I already halfway cook. So let's start to cook it. First, you cut it. This one, the bell pepper. No, we're going to cook the soup in my own way because I have only bell pepper in my kitchen and I have onion and I have chicken. So let's cook that one. We cook already. And this is the one we need to cut it. We're going to cook the Filipino soup. That's what you call sopas. And that is my own way. I have only this in my kitchen, so we're going to do what we have here. So also the ingredients is milk. This milk. This is a milk. This is liquid milk from this country. And also I want to cook. I want to make boiled these eggs. I have eggs here. Like I need 4 because we have 4. One person, 1 egg. Macaroni. This is macaroni seashell. And I want to put this coriander. Nice smell. In my language, this is what you call kimchi. Kimchi in my language. So I want to put this one. Now we're going to cut. We are going to cut small the chicken because I want small size so my children and my husband can eat good food for this morning because the weather here is so hot and they don't feel like to eat something hard food. They like something soup and water and salad. Now I decide to cook what I know. This is Filipino food. This is named sopas. Sopas. It is one of my favorite as well. I want to cut small. Yeah. Here in the pieces. You need to tear it in the pieces. Only like this simple. You need to tear the chicken in the small pieces. So the soup is just easily to eat. Inshallah. And the bone, you need to put inside the pot if you want to cook this one. And it's a very good food. My husband likes this food too much. Somehow he likes Filipino food. Even he's a foreigner to me, he like my food. And also I like his food. I like hard food. But in my Filipino food, he like my food. Somehow. But not all. She likes soup, Filipino soup. That's why I'm cooking it. Now it's done. I already pieces it. Let's cook in the kitchen. Now we are going to put oil. Now we are going to put onion. Mix it well. I'm going to put this chicken, the chicken, mix it well. And then put aside this one. We're going to put this patis. I bought this patis when I was in my country. And cover it. And now we're going to put this macaroni. This is shell macaroni. I put it on. And I want to put this milk. This is milk in this country. It's so big. And I want to put here. Set aside. Now we're going to put this water inside. like 2 cups like this. We're going to fetch the water. At least 2 cups. And put small salt. Small amount of salt. Now we're going to put the egg, 4 pieces. 1, 4. 4 eggs. And put some salt. Small amount. Small amount and mix it so tasty. Now we're going to put this bell pepper. Bell pepper. Now I'm going to put this kinchay. I decided to put small amount of kinchay because I'm thinking maybe it's a strong smell and my children don't like it, the smell of kinchay, so I put this small amount only. Kinchay. Put inside. Mix together. And let's check the egg. The egg is almost done. As you see, the soup is almost done. I think it's okay now. So I can give food for my children and to my husband. I hope you like it, guys. It's so tasty. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. It's so nice. This is what you call sopas. It's a Filipino food. Sopas is a soup. It's good in the morning. It's very, very nice. Now we're going to try the food. Let's try the food. Is the taste. Bismillah. Now it's tasty. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. Thank you.